Okay, so what I did is created this really big grid, so I got this obvious line, because this foot's going to start sliding on me, and I want to be able to pull this toe right up here. So got auto key on, got this little gizmo selected, and I'm just going to move it and then move it back. Okay, so that created a key right there. And now I'm just going to click this button here that basically sends it forward one frame. Then I'm going to pull that foot right back again so that it's just kissing that line. Alright, so it's a little bit of a tedious process. It's just click and pull, click and pull. Now if you wanted to, you could, let's say, do 2 frames and pull it up, and then go do 2 frames and pull it up. The problem with that is the foot's going to still move in between those. You see how that little sort of jerking right there? So you'd have to go back and do it anyway. So I'm just going to come back and do these guys, ones I skipped over. Which, right there. Okay, one of them didn't move actually, but that's alright. And then basically you just do this till frame 16. And what's happening is the foot that we're moving right now is planted. You know, it wouldn't move in real life with all that weight on it. And if it did, it would look like you're ice skating or something. You don't want that. So you basically just clicking, pulling, and you wouldn't want to do this, you know, you know, with the character walking for miles or anything. But it's great for just doing a couple steps and then, you know, stopping and then doing whatever you want, because as soon as you stop doing this, your character will, and if you didn't copy your extra walking keyframes over, then, you know, your character would not walk anymore. So it's not for like extended walks, it's for having them you know, walk a step or two and then do something else and then maybe walk a step or two. So okay, so we're at frame 16, and so the other foot now is planted. Okay, so what I have to do is, on my home grid thing here, is I just need to find another grid line that'll pop right to this toe. Okay, so frame 16, let's go to frame 17, and I'm just going to pull it up to that. So let me just see how this looks from 16 to 17. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so at 17 I've got my toe touching. I'm going to go to 18, pull it up. So just cruising along here, try to do it fast as I can. Okay, occasionally I'm middle mousing just to get the screen back to a place where it's helpful for me. So we're almost there. Okay, so one more. There. Now see, I didn't take I mean, I created this video in less than 5 minutes, but you can see now he's walking forward. Of course, as soon as we get to the point where we've got the extra steps, but we're not moving the gizmo, then he's just walking in place again. Okay. So, you know, I would say within 15 minutes you could have him walking quite a distance. So this is the technique that I would advise using if you have an existing walk cycle that you've already created.